Hello everyone, welcome to the live stream. Welcome to the live stream, traders. Am I audible to you? Hello Dheeraj sir. Now quickly in the comment section, please let me know what is your view about the market. Where do you think the market will move next? Continuously market has been falling towards the downside itself. Today also will the downside move continue, or do you think today we can expect some kind of reversal? Hello Dilraj sir. Hello. Welcome to the live stream. Upward. Dilraj sir is saying upward, expecting a pullback. Okay. Expecting a pullback. Thanks for adding me to the group. Okay. Hi sir. I hope BTC fly. Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello everyone. If it breaks this 4-hour demand level, then the view is bearish. Okay. So certain levels I've just marked on the chart. Okay. Market is yet to open. Another 5 minutes. Right. Don't know. I don't know what data is showing here. Okay. Anyways, now you can see previously this area. What has it been? It has been a demand zone. 1 second. 1, 2, 3. Just give me a second, traders. I'll be back. Sorry, because there was some background noise. All right. So continuously, first support, second support, third support, fourth time market has come to this area. Again, it has been taking support. So this we can consider as a strong supporting area. All right. So this is on a 30 minutes time frame. Also, you can see this trend line has been acting as a good resistance, right? And this area has been the demand zone. Now, once market had given a breakdown, it converted to failure. Again, if it breaks, then we will wait for continuation. Only then we will focus on bearish trade as of now, right? So that is what I'm thinking right now. Continuously, usually my trading style is to go opposite to the trend. Now here continuously market is bearish. I just want to capture anywhere stop loss hunting. That moment, if it is there, that is the whole idea for me to capture. But continuously market is showing some bearishness, means little we have to wait also. So Rohit Reddy, Ilan sir, Mani sir, hello everyone. What is your view about the market? Where do you think, what is the probability of market continuing the trend? 3 minutes time frame, I'm just looking at the market. Any important levels, if market is showing any, see as of now it is taking support near 382 level. This is an important level, we can say. After a long time, market has formed a low, a high, a higher low. It's trying to hold on to this range. If higher high comes, okay, maybe we can consider an upside move. But today, since we are going opposite to the trend, we will wait for some time. Let's see what the market says, what global market is saying. Based on that, even I feel there is a potential of upside move. But however, little if we wait, it would be good for us. Now here, if it gives a breakout, this is around 500 points. After this breakout, if I place my stop loss around 350, 400 points should be the ideal stop loss. Sorry. Hello sir, good evening. Lakshman Narayan Babu sir. Morning focus will be on Nifty and Bank Nifty traders. Morning focus little it will be on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Only later we will be focusing on BTC. If it breaks this, okay. Anup sir, hello. Welcome to the live stream. Shankar Sharma sir, welcome to the live stream sir. Now those of you who's watching the live stream, support the channel by liking the video. If you have forgotten to like, please do that. As of now, this is the box in which the market is trading. Okay, we will wait for some time. Today immediately I'm not in the mood of directly taking a trade if the bearishness happens, because ideally I want to go opposite to the trend. So if there is an opportunity to capture, if I enter here, so if it goes up to this zone also, one attempt I'm going to do. All right, placing the order, it's still in the box, little below this box I'm going to place the stop loss around $20 is the risk. We could see that time this area is a 382 level. Market, if it forms higher high, and maybe minimum at least if it goes up to this 786 level, right? So that can be a moment for us. So hopefully we will see. See, I'm going opposite to the trend, right? Market is still in this box range. So it can be a consolidation, hopefully. This is a low, this is the high, this is the higher low. If opening market can give little more push to the market also, this total moment will be close to around 700 points, right? So that moment, if you are able to capture also, by then if I trail my stop loss, and or maybe if I get it to cost, my first trade like only cost to cost, right? So much problem I will not have. If at the upper level, if I'm thinking okay, I'm missing the opportunity, then if I plan to enter, then it is going to be a bit of problem. If it slips directly from here, the fall will be slow, hitting stop losses on both the side. If Bank Nifty recovers up 93,200 to 93,500, further fall is expected. 93,300 to 200. Yeah, 93,200. At least up to this range, if the market goes also, that's a kind of decent move I would consider. So we will see, wait for a bit. In daily time frame, it's forming M pattern. See here also it is forming M pattern. You can see it is trying to form M pattern. So if this is an attraction, if people want to go as per the continuation, M pattern, whoever enters, the stop loss is on top. For that, at least one spike, right? If that spike, if we get also at the opening, it is fine for me. Too much bigger plans I don't have for today's market, based on how it is continuously bearish. But anyways, since I always plan to go opposite to the current market trend, based on that, quickly I've taken this trade. Little stop loss hunting, if it does also, it is fine. So here, so here close to 1:2 is my ideal target always. So, but 1:2 is little above only, no problem. Risk is something I'll be able to manage in this trade. Others tell me who has not yet commented. Please tell me what is your view. What do you think where the market will move next according to your view? Vaishnavi madam, thank you for liking the live stream. US market open but no violent move. Yes, no violent move as of now. So usually plan is to capture that violent move itself. If it is still holding on to its range, it's kind of sideways, then we might have to, wait for some time. Pullback is expected since this is a strong support zone. The pullback is expected. Bearish trade, maybe we can focus post it goes below the zone, right? This entire thing completely is a demand zone. So by chance, if the market takes the stop loss also, some more time I will wait. Later, if it goes below this uh, demand zone, shows continuation, then maybe I can focus on bearish continuation. Or else high, low, low, high. Here M pattern, it market is attracting some people. If more attraction is happening, my stop loss will get hit. Later, if market is holding on to this range and trying to give a breakout, one more bullish trade I will take above this zone. Okay. BTC want to clear all buyers and then it wants to fly. Sir, how many buyers are there? That is the problem. Here you can see continuously anyone who bought here, right? Attracted. They have been removed. Again, anyone who buys here, they have been removed. So continuously buyers have been being removed itself. So it is not like this place you think, this 4-hour time frame, if I go and show it to you. Okay. Let's say this 30 minutes time frame only, if you see, the buyers who are sitting in the market here, of course, during this move, they would have booked their profit and exited, right? So almost market again, it has come to the buyer zone itself. To a certain extent, majority of the buyers the market has removed. Now below this also, maybe like you say, some buyers can be there. It can, because considering this as support, many people on a 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, they might have entered. It might remove them. Later again it can move. Hopefully, as long as it is consolidating within this range, and later if it comes out of this range, the movement can be more strong, right? It can break out, give a breakdown, later it can correct. That possibility is there, but early market move is something what we are trying to capture. Hopefully, if it comes, that would be a good opportunity. Which time frame is this? 2 minutes back, what I was showing was 30 minutes time frame. Now I am on a 3 minutes time frame, right? Yes, stock market is closed. Due, okay, I didn't know that. Is US market closed? I thought you are. That is what bullish momentum I was expecting. Is market closed? Some time back when I was checking, also I did not get know anything. Where are you seeing this information, sir? Okay. Former President Jimmy Carney. This is what it says. Here I can see some news which says the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq will be closed on US equities and option trading on Thursday. National only for okay. They are saying market will be closed. What's the point in taking this? That's why at this point of time I was expecting some kind of movement. Complete human error. I didn't even go and check if US market is opening or not. Just checking the chart on S&P. Yeah, it is closed traders. Do you expect a strong bullish trend at this time of swearing in or sideways market? No, too much more movement was expected based on the market opening itself. Rajashekaran sir, thank you for the message. It's kind of disappointing that even I should have, as usual, as regular day, I came live, right? Complete human ignorance, I can say. At least traders, when you guys came live, you could have told me, right? I was telling let US market open, let it open, we will see. I think some of us did not know also, right? So that is there. Anyways, if it's going to be sideways, there is no point in. Sir, I did not notice that. What you did not notice, sir? So I was just coming here, as soon as I came live stream, I was just refreshing when the market, when it opens. What is happening? No update. I was thinking it is money control issue. Only then sir told me market is closed. Okay, no problem. Suresh sir, hello, welcome to the live stream. Okay, human errors, sir. Don't worry. Even I should have noticed, right? Even I did not notice. Anyways, one trading setup is done. We will see. Only based on price action. As per my expectation here, double top has formed. Okay. If market breaks this level, then continuation is possible. Initially here only continuation possibility should have been there. Little stop loss had trailed. That's okay. Now the most important problem that we have right now is, let's say I go to 1 hour time frame. You guys see how nicely previously this area has been acting as a important buying pressure zone, right? Once, twice, thrice, four. So it's very clear. This is a demand zone. So when market is at demand zone, buyers tend to show little interest at this zone. You see around uh, 30th December was, the recent time when market corrected from here. Again here, if you see 1 hour time frame chart, bullishness is happening. But what we can consider is this trend line to take this confirmation, right? To attract some buyers, market can move towards the upside. Later, it can correct. That possibility is there, correct? Because this is the demand zone. So continuously, since this trend line is acting as resistance, if market in case it corrects, later it pushes towards the upside, removes the first level of sellers sitting in the market here, then slowly it can go up to 96,800, 850 range. Up to that level market can go. So this kind of movement is something what I'm looking for. You are expecting further fall till 90, 86,000. 86,000, okay sir, but that is too far, right? So based on intraday, looking at such big, of course, BTC, the way how crypto market is moving, definitely it is kind of, we can say 200, 2000, 3000 points easily market can do. 5, 6,000, what you're saying, for intraday perspective, it is bit challenging only. Surya Ganesh sir, hello, welcome to the live stream. So as of now, I'm saying at the upper range, continuously this is acting as resistance. This is buyers range. So to attract buyers little, if market moves towards the upside also, my initial setup only was that, right? Upside momentum up to somewhat this zone. If we are able to capture, then maybe we can trail a stop loss, hold on to a trade for some time. If it corrects and shows continuation, we will hold or give the trailing stop loss. With that view only, I entered the market. Only if market has formed this double top also, not that confident about this double top, because this entirely buying pressure zone. Anyways, we will wait for some time. Okay, traders. In case this is the range, I'll take little lower. Okay, this is the range. If market is holding on within this range for quite some time, then maybe it is better that we avoid any kind of trade. Okay, up to this range. Because exactly we cannot catch the bottom. See, my personal opinion is, if market wanted to attract some buyers, right? Remove weak buyers, get more buyers in the market. Ideally, what it should have done from the upper range, it should have given a breakout, slowly moved towards the upside, created liquidity, and then corrected. But ideally, if you see right now, every move is kind of bearish itself. So, continuous bearishness in the market, it tempts more people to focus on bearish trade and forget to focus on buying. Only problem is, yes, this buying pressure zone. So this upper zone to this lower zone, you can check out on 1 hour time frame. More than 5 to 6 times it is acted as demand zone. That is the only issue. If many people are thinking of buying, first it can correct and later move towards the upside, right? So that's one problem. We have marked this box. As long as market comes out of this box, we'll kind of wait. Please look into 10 minutes time frame. Okay. In 10 minutes time frame, exactly what are you asking me to look for, sir? Can you tell me what is exactly? See, because the same levels what I've marked on 3 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame, the same levels only is acting as support and resistance. On 10 minutes time frame, exactly do you trade in? No, sir, I don't trade for bullish view. See, on a 10 minutes time frame also, usually for me, if I want to take trade, of course, I don't go for 10 minutes because my mindset doesn't sit there. Now, this range, what we have marked, this box range, you can see this has been the demand zone. Once demand zone breaks, this ideally has to be the retest level. Market has retested, but continuation, I don't think so. Maybe it can attract some people at the zone near the same pattern and move towards the upside only. But first trade, I am just kind of disappointed that the market is not open, because, but why is the data keeping on changing here? If it is big candles like this, let me switch to 1 minute time frame traders. Okay, so this has become 1 minute time frame also. You can see uh, 2 times market has tested this level. Third time, if it breaks, maybe one opportunity I will try. Within this box, no need to look for any trade is what I'm thinking right now. from this zone where the market has gone, this is a decent correction before pullback. One attempt was here, but this one is more decent pullback for buyers to re-enter the market. So hopefully, if they plan to take the market little higher, then maybe what we can consider is, let's say if I enter here also, 300 points risk. For that, I can ideally plan for this zone as my first target. It all depends on US market current condition. It's not, or let's say it comes out of this zone itself, and then I plan my stop loss here. This can be a bit more safe for me in terms of risk reward. So 1 is to 2, this can be the first target. Hopefully. What do you think, traders? Now that you know that US market is not open, what do you think? Is it going to stay within a range, or what is your view exactly right now? Just let me know what is your view. Not sure. When US market is closed, market plays very bad both side. Just like our weekends, right? Sideways. Bloodbath. That means bearish side. Okay. See, this is a very nice level from where market is corrected. So, how many points is this? 400, 450 points. 2 times it has tested this level. Third time it is coming here. And by chance, again, if it shows some bearishness, then upside potential is there. So, since it is almost coming to my entry range, I'll place my stop loss little here. But ideally, breaking this level is important. That is one thing. Usually we come up with a plan, right? So once certain things change, certain view changes, now how much should I expect from the market? That is one problem. Anyways, depending on 1 minute time frame only, we will see it today, because little entry and all those things little quickly if we can get, then it would be better. So this is the stop loss range. So makes sense. Hopefully. Okay, no so much mood to take trade, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to place an order right now. Okay, if you want, you can wait for some more time, and I'm good. I'm going to place the stop loss. Stop loss is small, and if it is a bit sideways market, then little quantity we will increase. Stop loss is reasonable, traders. 230 points is very common in crypto market. So around 20, 25, $6 is nothing. We will wait for our strategy. Sometimes my strategy also, like without me looking at, our strategy today, nice setup, yesterday nice setup, strategy has given. So 93,320, 93,320, 93,320. This is the range. So this is the range of potential up move. Hopefully these sellers who are sitting here, right, I don't think mostly they will put pressure here. If they do, no problem, I'll give the stop loss. But maybe when market reaches this zone, at that point of time, maybe they can start putting pressure. By then, if it achieves our 1:2 risk reward target, we would be in a safe side. Go, yeah. Our setup is saying maybe we will get entry somewhere near 93,315, 316 at the upper zone. So if that is the case, until that zone, if market moves also exactly at this area, so okay, we can capture decent move. Deepak sir, okay, we can wait for the strategy, no problem, but that might take even longer. We might have to wait for up to this zone. So we'll see. Anyways, once I get to know that US market is closed, I don't have that much of mood to even take trades. But this one potential, that is why even target I have set already. Risk reward is kind of okay, 1:2. Based on that, if I'm getting that upside momentum that I need, we will see later if we want to, continue or not. Some kind of action is definitely happening here, right? Looking at this breakout failure also, many people might think about entering, right? So from here, market should not fall too much. Swiftly, if it moves towards the upside, that would be a decent move for us. Can you please tell if BTC will come to 90,000? BTC 90,000. We'll see after Trump swearing ceremony. It is not too far, right? Possibility for 90,000 is there. as market has fallen already very much. Yes, according to me, yes, it has fallen very much. But BTC, I mean, based on intraday, I'm saying, I'm not going based on, how much uh, actual BTC investment perspective. I'm not speaking about that. Based on this price action, I feel people can consider this as a fair price value to plan their entry. But I've told you, right, this zone, what you're seeing here, this big zone is buyer zone. So in the future, market can move towards the downside. Later, when more people are focused, they are selling, then the upside move is possible. Again, to show all that, I have to switch to 15-30 minutes time frame. Market is at 60% retracement. From where, sir? 60%. This is where market started falling, right? Market started falling here. So from here, if you see, close to 60%. Okay. So from here, at least this range, if it is able to cover, that's good. Ideally, if it corrects from 618 or from this range, then of course stop loss I have to give. Nazib sir, thank you for highlighting this to me. Only problem is here. Mm, Here also you can see kind of 60-65% correction market has done. This is a decent correction for upside move, right? So in the upside, all the weak players, if the market has removed from here, if sellers put pressure, okay. But hopefully, if they start putting pressure here at this zone, right? So that would be a bit better. Not because I kept my targets there, because if market wants to make a bigger fall, it has to attract little more buyers by making a momentum towards the upside. So in that perspective, if this is the buying pressure zone, liquidity is creating at this zone, at least market can go up to this zone, maybe give a breakout also, and then correct. That time more liquidity in the market is possible. Hopefully traders, we will see. Sir, as long I have long future options at 94,000, should I add more or see, my uh, focus mainly will be on intraday, uh, Akshat sir, not few. I don't carry forward positions based on mm, you know higher time frames, because Bitcoin market is bit volatile. Majority of the trade, see, for you the targets, whatever you're saying, for that to happen, you need to carry forward the positions overnight. All right. So in that case, you have to see how much. Um, I have a long future position. Mm, Potential is a bit low, sir, as of now. So hopefully, since that buying pressure zone is tested many times, market is attracting buyers. Maybe more movement is possible, but up to 94,000, That one is, I'm a bit skeptical about that. Not that sure. I have long position at 98K. If market goes below 90, I will hedge it and keep it for few more days and exit when it reaches back to same price. Okay. See, many people who were saying I'm holding long positions, hopefully you're trading with less quantity, and in case the market goes doesn't go as per your direction also, you're kind of okay, and you have set a triggered stop loss for your trades, right? If you have taken the trades, definitely you should have set. For targets you don't have to set, that is okay, but at least for stop loss, triggers should have been set already. So if you have done that and that stop loss amount you already know, for example, after you go and set the stop loss, here you get to see, right, stop loss for the order. If it is as per your capacity, why worry so much? That is one, uh, I can say, bet you're having on in the market. So if you want to bet it that way, you can do it as long as it is as per your risk capacity. All right. For me, psychologically, it doesn't work, right? In recent times, in Nifty, Bank Nifty, also, I don't take overnight position. Whatever it is, I close it then and there for that particular day and I move forward because I want peaceful sleep. Yes, if I take very less quantity, holding it for in case that it is the money which I feel okay, I don't want this money anymore. I feel like I've just uh, what do they say? Uh, Whatever happens, my life doesn't change if I lose that money, right? That kind of money, if it is there, it's okay. Maybe one weekend you're going to spend 3,000, 5,000 rupees. If that is the case, if that is the kind of amount you're risking, that's fine. Market is just holding on to this range, creating unnecessary pressure. When US market is not open, right, traders, then it is kind of boring itself. Opportunities is there when US market is closed. No doubt opportunities will be there. But I'm saying when we get the direction right, if market is moving that direction slowly also, that's okay. But if it is just holding on, because I'm going opposite to the trend, right? For me, momentum is what is required the most. That kind of moment mostly we get when during the market opening. If that is not there, slow momentum, all those things and all is a problem. Akshat sir, and one more person, whoever said you're holding long positions, uh, don't get me wrong, holding long positions, if your psychology is working and you're trading as per your risk capacity, that is okay. For me, especially in BTC and all, I don't take overnight positions, right? Because that is the only time I get to sleep. If I take any entries in that, again I go and keep looking at what is happening to that position overnight, all those things I don't want. So majority of the trade I try to, sir, I think BTC will get a bull move after 3-4 days, but before 20th. Huh, Trump on 20th is going to come into power, right? So based on that logic you have taken. Yeah, that day definitely we is going to be very interesting. We have to wait and see. The initial 1 or 2 days before he uh, comes into power, and that whole week together, how it is going to be, we have to wait and watch. Now, those of you who's watching the live stream, if you would like to support the channel, you can do that by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. And if you want to join our crypto community group, where regularly we keep sharing setups, right? So seller pressure zone, buyer pressure zone, where and all we have opportunities in the market, right? Like this we keep sharing. So if you are interested to join the group for absolutely free of cost, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange. Not just this, you also get access to our crypto strategy. After some time, maybe our from the magnet zone, hopefully we get this bearish setup. Before that, if my target gets achieved, if I'm exiting there, that's good for me. Twentieth Jan will be a trending day. That's what even I think, sir. That's what even I think. But when everyone is thinking the same, that is the problem. Correct? Initially, as soon as the market open, it can correct first. It can, let's say, uh, 2000, 2500 points, it can correct. Later, it can, you know, anyone who's entered along with me, this is an important zone where I would suggest you to book your profits, because there's a very crucial zone. If market correct, it can correct from here also without giving the targets, right? So it's a decent profit. Continuation is happening. So I will extend this and then I will bring this forward up to this level, because there's a pressure zone. If market corrects from here, I don't want to hold the trade any longer, right? So what is this? So whatever happens, in case market falls from here also, we'll be booking around 30 $35 at least profit. So from here, if it is continuing, let us extend that, leave the market to decide. That is sellers, like earlier I said, sellers re-entry zone is the status. If they re-enter at the zone, you know simply unnecessarily, if you are holding the trade from this zone only, ideally it could have corrected. That is why I said anyone wants to book the profit, you can do that. Now that I'm trailing the stop loss, I have even lesser risk here, right? So almost target done. As per our strategy, market has to move little more higher. Okay, anyways, it's moving. I'll get the stop. I'll get the stop. Okay. So little more movement. Okay, anyways. Uh we have booked around $55 profit. Now here, okay, this trade target achieved traders. Okay, so anyone entered along with me? Okay, no problem. So next setup is this trend line. Okay, trend line acting as resistance 1, resistance 2, this breakout, this is the selling pressure zone. From here market can fall, right? So also if I switch to 3 minutes time frame and little above traders here, if market moves little above from here, right, this is the zone. If it gives any kind of bullish candle here followed by a bearish candle, if that is the case, as per our strategy, potential of correction is high. So please look into that. All of these things, right? If you want, I'll show you. See, like this. If market reaches this zone, continues, breaks this level from the upper zone, after continuous bullishness, if you get a strong bearish candle, small stop loss on top, we can plan for bigger target. This setup usually works 50% of the time. If you want the strategy for absolutely free of cost, you can open account with Delta Exchange. My team will provide that for you. In this video I've taken live trades and shown. In this video I've taken or given all the explanation. So that setup is forming in the market. So if you are interested, you can see this side continuous move, later giving a breakout. From here what kind of fall, like this possibility is there. For that small risk, if you are willing to take, right, you can take. So I'll be little more clear about this. Market has to go above this, okay, green candle, after that followed by a strong red candle. If that is the case, stop loss, continuation, this kind of movement is possible. So if you are interested, you can look into it, traders. Okay, booked at 93,100. Okay, and the dump are thinking, market wants us to think the same. Yeah, 20th Jan will be a trending day. That I read. Okay, anyways, in the sideways market also, uh, we have recovered the loss. Along with that, we have also captured the moment. So that's about it. Additional how many points movement market has done? Additional 100, 200 points. But after this continuous pressure, any bullishness above this, bearishness below this, then potential of correction is high. So please have a look into that if you're interested. Okay. Whoever is part of our crypto community group, you already know about the setup. Setup is almost the setup is almost forming. So when it is forming, better, if you're interested, you can look for opportunities, right? So that is about it. Not that happy with the move what market has done. Okay, we have got the move. Okay, profit is done, but silly thing is that US market opening I did not see. It's a it's a it's a crucial level. Please stay for a few more minutes, sir. Okay. Little more time. Okay, I will stay, but increase the number of likes, traders. Come on. Who's watching the video? Support the channel. Sir, can you trade in crude oil? Not only. No, sir, crude oil and all. I don't know why I don't like to trade in, commodities. Commodities and forex also I don't trade because it is not legal. BTC I'm only doing it because it is FIU registered. delta exchange. So to a certain extent we are kind of safe here. Thank you, sir, for liking the video. This box is not needed. Guys, for you, is it looking like a cup and handle pattern? There's a cup. Market can form a handle. Then give a breakout. I'm just looking at this right now and telling you about the price action. But the rule about our setup is we stick to the rules, right? Market is already near the magnet zone. So from here, focus should be mostly on the bearish side. So if market goes opposite to the direction, no problem. But we have to focus on only bearish setup as per the strategy. Okay, now market has gone to the overbought zone, like I said, this breakout. Now we will see. Chart looks a bit clumsy, right? With all of these levels marked. This bullish move, what we want, we have got, right? Market has come out of this range. Now from this upper range, any strong bearish setup if we get, following all the rules that I have explained in the, the strategy video, we can try one bearish setup. What is the ideal amount for beginners in crypto as per your years of experience? In crypto, I don't have years of experience, but basically, if you can, at the initial stage, if even if you bring in 5,000, sorry, 10,000 to 15,000, that is more than sufficient, because with this 15,000, one whole month, right? If you stick to the risk reward, you will get a lot of learning, right? That lot of learning is will take you to the next level. That 15,000 is the maximum amount initially you can start with, right? Later, once the success rate increases slowly, you can increase. Okay, Suresh sir. What are the indicators I have? It is the indicators of the strategy. Come on, traders. I'm giving strategy everything for free. So join the community group, right? You will get to know about the strategy, the setup, everything. Everything is absolutely free of cost. But you joined, right? You said you joined the group. Join newly, sir. I will watch today. What you do is, you go here, click on the pinned message. It will take you to this video. Watch the live examples. Watch all the other live examples also. Many live examples will be there, and some trades what I've taken on YouTube also will be there. You watch that first, then you will get clarity. This upside continuation is continuously happening. Okay. Bearish candle is not yet given a strong closing or anything as such. So waiting is necessary, traders. Now, how many of you entered the trade along with me today? Continuation is happening as per the initial trading setup which we took, but the reversal setup we are not getting yet. Just joined. Did Delta increase the fees or something? No, sir. Nazib, sir, you traded along with me. Close to 300, 350 points. Actually, very nice momentum, right? Traders, from the time we uh, our trailing stop loss got hit somewhere at this zone, but nice continuation is happening in the market. And one more thing you guys have to notice is on a 30 minutes time frame, just see this. This level is continuously acting as resistance. Now the sellers from here, they have pushed the market towards the downside. Here directly, if it reaches this resistance, again sellers, if they start entering, continuation is possible. Before that reaching the trend line resistance only, if market corrects, then probability will be high. If it reaches the resistance, then probability will reduce. You can see, right, this trend line I'm talking about. So I have already entered sell trade at 93,400. What to do? Why did you enter? You did not even get confirmation. 93,400. If you enter at 93,400, Where is the confirmation? Based on what logic did you enter? Is it like you took the trade as per your own setup or something like that, or what is it? Sir, I think it will break the trend line. If it breaks the trend line, then the probability will reduce. So thank you so much for answering my question. I did start with 15K. It lasted for 3 to 4 days. I need to follow you and learn. Follow, sir. You follow me, and I have made a basic video already on YouTube about how much risk you can take, how you can start, all that around 30 35 minutes video, how much risk you need to take, what is the leverage you need to take, everything I have explained. So if you go and have a look at that, it will give you the initial uh, basic understanding of the crypto market, how to trade in futures. Later follow the setup, all those things. Now strong bearish candle is not there, but still if I miss out on this, just because you guys asked, place this order. Okay, my stop loss is going to be on top. More than that, I'm not going to take a risk. Not yet tested the trend line. Okay, so mm, from here, if the downside continues, stop loss, and at least 1 is to 2, 2.5 will be the reward. It has gone more than the pressure zone, but little correction has happened from the upper level. Based on that, we are taking. Since we know the success rate of the strategy when it goes as per our view is very high, then we have to focus on that. The current market condition, strong bearish candle I did not get yet, but it's okay. Risk reward we can take because one trade we have already completed. In case I miss out on this opportunity, again I will not get. Since I'm live, I'm taking this for you guys. Sir, how is XNS broker? To be honest, I've not tried XNS till now. Delta Exchange is what was suggested to me by my friends. So that is what I'm following. I'm using. I've not tried. So I cannot comment on the products which I have not tried at all. What is your view till Trump swearing? See, everybody is expecting, okay, Trump, after he won the election, everybody expected what? Because of him, we will push the BTC, we will push Tesla, everything, crypto market only towards the upside because he's more favorable. Now, especially when he's coming on in power, on swearing ceremony, that time market maybe it can move later, but if everybody is thinking that continuation can happen, maybe a correction of when he's swearing, if already the market is open at that point of time, then it can affect the market a bit, right? First they can push it towards the downside and later push it towards the upside. That probability is there. Okay, that is what I think. Now I don't know how long this trade will take. Now you guys know what was the logic. Market has come to the magnet zone. It is gone uh, overpriced right now, but continuation is very much in the market right now. but it has not reached the resistance. It has attracted some people at this zone. So probably if I don't plan my trade here, I will not get a reasonable stop loss for my trade. So this is a small stop loss what I have decided for that. At least 1:2 is the risk reward. Stop loss is important. That is why I put it here. Based on how big the fall is, if it goes as per my direction, then how I kept on trailing, changing the targets, I will do that. Stop loss is something which I will not change, right? So around 1 hour 15 minutes. Now some of them will think, okay, market, this is the resistance, that is why I've taken the trade. No, traders, it is not because of that. So if market comes off to this resistance, right, if it had touched this resistance, then potential of upside continuation is high, right? Before reaching that level itself, if actually my expectation was from this zone only market can correct, that time these sellers will enter. So buyers would have thought about booking their profit at this trend line or at this resistance, but market has gone little higher. What to do? That's the only opportunity I had to take. Purely as of now, the risk reward, everything I have calculated, planned, or entered is purely bearish trade. Also, I have taken purely based on what? Based on the strategy, right? This is the strategy. People who already you are for member of crypto community group, you have joined for free after opening account with Delta Exchange. You already know how the strategy works, right? So probability of market moving towards the downside as per the strategy is high. I have taken. Yes, market has continuously moved up. It is near the resistance. It can move up. That things are always there. But how many times you take this trade? What is the probability? See here, what kind of movement the setup has given, right? So when it gives very good results, right? When it fails, small stop loss. Give that stop loss and go. Don't think too much. Now this, if it starts, to form a flag pattern here, if it starts forming a flag pattern, holding on to this range for longer duration, right? So again, another 30 minutes, 40 minutes, I should sit in the market. So that's an issue. Hunger and wonder, sir. You asked me to stay for a bit longer. I stayed. I've taken this trade, right? I've taken this trade. I kept the stop loss and the target also I have discussed. Now, if you give me permission, if stop loss hits, of course, I'm going to leave. But if the market is sideways, will you give me permission to uh, close this one live stream? Where did you go after asking me to take the trade? I don't see any reply from your end. It's not hitting the stop loss. It's not moving towards the downside. Continuous green candle is showing continuation traders here at this area. Now many people focus here will be okay, resistance, resistance continuously. This area is acting as resistance. Ideally market will, from here only, if it corrects it's a problem, but if it gives a breakout, right, after giving breakout, if it sustains and then correct, the downside movement can continue, right? According to that we will see. Like I said earlier, somewhere after giving this breakout at this range or this range, I should have got a bearish setup, but here it is attracted some people. Again coming to this trend line, here it is attracting people, means then many people will think about entering. Here resistance, it should not stop, it should give a breakout and then stop. Later only the reversal is possible. Here it just becomes 50% chance. I'll just switch to 15 minutes and show it to you. You can see this range, right? Resistance, resistance, third resistance, fourth resistance. Now fourth time it's trying to hold on to that range. If it holds on this range for longer duration, then upside momentum is possible. If it gives a breakout quickly, then from the upside, from the upper range, if it gives a breakout, right, attract some people, then from there continuation or bearish move up to this level first, retest, and then this level. So up to these levels market can correct, but it has to give a bullish move and later from the upside it has to correct. Okay, so that time any setup is there, you can have a look. All right, thanks everyone for participating the live stream. The live stream went for more than what, 1.5 hours. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow.